This is the fascinating tale of an extraordinary parrot that possesses the remarkable ability to... Once upon a time, there was a grandson named Khmer, who was the only son of the richest man in the capital. Khmer was a kind and compassionate man towards the poor, making everyone in his family indeed respect and love him very much. That's so great! Our boss must be really good at shooting arrows. Yes, our boss is really good, also handsome and wise.
I'd like to go into the forest for archery practice, and I will go into the forest a little deeper. I will come back later in the afternoon. It's okay, son. Let him really go to school to be a good man. Is it correct, honey?
Yes, dear honey. Millionaires indulge their children's passions. Manop likes to ride a horse into the big forest, practice shooting arrows. He never misses a single day. Today, Manop enters into the deep forest to practice archery. Deep inside the forest, there was a big monster tree who has been meditating for hundreds of years, hoping to become a human being.
Now I have more and more incredibly strong and powerful martial arts, and soon I will indeed be able to become human. Ha ha ha.
Manop then rode his trusty hunting horse swiftly and with determination to the place where the monster tree lived.